Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This week we're going to talk about passport books versus passport cards. But before we get into all that, I must ask, if you like this video, if you find it at all helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. Alright, so let's get to it. So there's about 4 main differences between the passport book and the passport card. One of which is what they cover. So the passport card is only approved, or was originally only approved, for frequent land travel, and at the time of this video can only be used in the US, Mexico, Canada, Bermuda, and the Caribbean, whereas the passport book is the only approved method for air travel. So with the passport book, you can pretty much travel anywhere you want. Both are valid for 10 years, and the passport card, the one perk that they have there is it's actually cheaper and more compact than the passport book. And the passport book is actually more expensive. Now, I haven't personally experienced this myself, but I've heard that if something were to happen overseas, you're better off having the passport book over the passport card and the birth certificate or driver's license, because not every country accepts those forms of identification, and then you have to go in and get the consulate involved and get other officials involved. So there's a lot more red tape to cover than just getting the passport book and paying the extra fees for that. Now, the one drawback to having a passport book versus a passport card is, at the time of this video, there's a huge backlog of passport renewals and passport applications. I've heard of people waiting as much as 3 to 9 months for their applications to return. So if you're due for renewal before your next cruise, your best bet is to either apply for the passport now or get your renewals together and get them to the government offices ASAP so that you have sufficient time to get everything in line. Now, there are different sites that can renew your passport online. You want to be a little bit critical of those because you never know if they're actually real secure sites or not. So I would just verify either at your post office or your local town offices how to approve or how to go about renewing online and all of the specifics on that. So that's all I have for now. If you like this video, if you find it at all helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below. And hey, seasoned cruisers, what advice do you have regarding passports and passport cards or birth certificates and driver's license? Did I miss anything? If I did, please comment below. We love to read them, and I will see you all in the next video. Bon voyage!